Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So the uncertainty is pretty much out of the picture. The U.S. Treasury Secretary has come out with the conditions of the sanctions, and then it does not look as bad as thought it was dreaded to be. They've just sanctioned 60 personals, companies, ships, and individuals, and that's that. So and they have kept their options open. Going forward, they could sanction larger institutions like Chinese finances, but right now that's not a bigger danger that we're looking at. And what happened to Nifty? Well, the Treasury Secretary's press conference happened after Nifty closed, so this could be the uncertainty candle awaiting this news. Right now, it does not look good for Nifty. We'll have to wait for tomorrow's open. This is Nifty on a daily time frame. Now let's start our usual analysis with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? This is a swing low and this is a higher low, and that's the reason it is bullish. So higher lows are being created, and this is the range for Nifty. The important support and resistance for Nifty on a monthly time frame. It's very simple. This is a swing low and this is a swing high. So that's a large range. Moving over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, there is no bias on Nifty. The indicator says no bias. Not sure at least. The thing is, there are no lower highs created or higher lows created. This is a higher low kind of formation, but we're just starting the week, so we'll have to wait for the weekly candle to close. There are certain levels that you can look out for. That is, this is the range. This is a smaller range for a weekly time frame that you can look out for. That's 24,775 and 23,600. So this is the weekly range that you can look out for Nifty to trade inside of. And on a daily time frame, Nifty again has no bias because there are no low highs or higher lows formed, and there are certain levels that you can watch out for, and that comes from this particular candle. That's day before yesterday's candle, and that is a flat top. So a flat top is an important level of sellers. So that's the same with that you can find that flat top here right here in the 4-hour time frame. Also, you can find it in the hourly time frame, I guess. Yes, also in the hourly time frame. So that's the flat top that I'm referring to, and that was the flat top that I was referring to in all the time frames. So that's an important level to look out for. 24 to 82. Sorry, I just got myself being distracted mid analysis. And there is a support that we need to look out for, and that is this swing low. So that brings us to a smaller range here, 24,282 and 24,025. So that's a smaller range that intraday range that you need to look out for. So any breakout on either side could be important to look out for. Otherwise, it stays in between this range. That's that. Well, I am not a certified analyst, and I do this only for educational purposes. So don't treat any of this as call for trades. Thank you.